I have always been fond of the West African proverb, "Speak softly and carry a big stick. You will go far." Power invariably means both responsibility and danger. I don't for a moment believe that we can turn back the wheels of progress. There is not a man of us who does not at times need a helping hand to be stretched out to him, and then shame upon him who will not stretch out the helping hand to his brother. This country has nothing to fear from the crooked man who fails. We put him in jail. It is the crooked man who succeeds who is a threat to this country. I have never in my life envied a human being who led an easy life. I have envied a great many people who led difficult lives and led them well. This country will not be a permanently good place for any of us to live in, unless we make it a reasonably good place for all of us to live in. A vote is like a rifle. Its usefulness depends upon the character of the user. If a man does not have an ideal and try to live up to it, then he becomes a mean, base, and sordid creature, no matter how successful. There are many qualities which we need in order to gain success, but the three above all, for the lack of which no brilliancy and no genius can atone, are courage, honesty, and common sense. Sometimes in life, both at school and afterwards, fortune will go against anyone. But if he just keeps pegging away and don't lose his courage, things always take a turn for the better in the end. Nine-tenths of wisdom is being wise in time. This country will not be a good place for any of us to live in if it is not a reasonably good place for all of us to live in. The farther one gets into the wilderness, the greater is the attraction of its lonely freedom. Death is always and under all circumstances a tragedy, for if it is not, then it means that life itself has become one.